a massive investment in artificial intelligence.
2025 has ushered in a new era for AI. The newly inaugurated U.S. president commissioned a $500 billion Stargate project, Openai's launched operator, and other AI models. DeepSeek's R1 added a different twist to the game. With DeepSeek's invention, the race for dominance between China and the U.S. just got more intense. Who wins the race? Let's find out the latest in the AI world. In response to the promise Sam Altman, CEO of Openai, made during the speech at the White House, Openai has accelerated its development of AI agents by introducing a novel tool that generates reports. Openai boasts that this tool, called Deep Research, can rival the work of a research analyst. Deep Research can achieve in 10 minutes what would require a human many hours to complete. The announcement of this new tool follows closely after Openai declared its intention to expedite product launches in response to advancements made by its Chinese competitor DeepSeek. Just how powerful has DeepSeek become to shake up the mighty Openai? Deep Research functions as an AI agent. This means that it's capable of performing tasks on behalf of users. It's powered by a version of Openai's latest advanced model O3. Openai mentioned that Deep Research will locate, evaluate, and compile hundreds of online resources to produce a comprehensive report, navigating through vast amounts of text, images, and PDFs to accomplish this. The company indicated that this tool, integrated as a button in ChatGPT, represents a significant step toward creating artificial general intelligence. Artificial general intelligence is a conceptual term denoting systems that can replicate or surpass human capabilities across any intellectual task. Last month, Openai revealed that Operator, an AI agent that it flaunts, can make restaurant reservations or complete an online shopping task based on a photograph of a shopping list. However, it's currently accessible only in a preview version in the US. In a demonstration video released on Sunday, Openai showcased Deep Research assessing the market for translation applications. The company stated the tool would take between 5 and 30 minutes to complete each assignment and would reference the sources for each assertion it makes. Openai noted that Deep Research is designed for finance, science, and engineering professionals, but can also evaluate purchases like vehicles and furniture. It's built on O3, the latest reasoning model from Openai, which processes queries more slowly than traditional models and has yet to be fully launched publicly. This follows Openai's announcement regarding the release of another variation of O3, a free, simplified version named O3 Mini. The capabilities of the complete O3 model were highlighted in the recent International AI Safety Report. The report's lead author, Yoshua Bengio, remarked that its capabilities could have profound implications for AI risks, and indicated that O3 had astonished experts, including himself, with its performance on a significant abstract reasoning evaluation. While Openai remains unrelenting in their quest for dominance, DeepSeek continues to receive various attention from different countries across the world. Although DeepSeek's impact remains positive to China, other countries don't see it in that light. A groundbreaking open-source artificial intelligence model created by the Chinese startup DeepSeek made headlines in January in the global tech arena. It demonstrated performance comparable to other top models at a significantly lower cost. However, this innovation has stirred up quite a bit of controversy. On January 27th, the AI assistant outperformed ChatGPT, becoming the highest-rated free app on the US Apple App Store. This impacted the market valuations of significant tech firms, including Nvidia. The model's surge in popularity has also led to service disruptions and allegations of a cyber attack. DeepSeek asserts that their AI assistant matches the capability of ChatGPT's O1 model in areas such as mathematics and coding, while being more memory efficient, thus reducing expenses. They also claim that developing their AI assistant required under $6 million worth of Nvidia's computing resources. Although this figure has been scrutinized, analysts suggest that this release could establish new benchmarks for upcoming AI models regarding efficiency and cost-effectiveness. Not looking on the bright side of this innovation, Taiwan, Italy, and Australia have opted to prohibit the app's use on federal devices, citing security concerns. DeepSeek is the latest focal point in a broader competition for technological dominance between the United States and China, so the US is opting to take this route as well, banning DeepSeek. However, the US Navy has banned its members from using DeepSeek for work-related or personal tasks. The Chinese Communist Party has indicated that it will use any means necessary to compromise our national security, propagate harmful misinformation, and gather data on Americans. Gottheimer expressed in a statement, "We cannot afford to let the CCP penetrate the devices of our government officials and endanger our national security. We've already observed China's tactics with TikTok, and we cannot permit a repeat of that scenario." Numerous AI companies leverage the data derived from users' interactions with chatbots to enhance and refine their models, raising privacy concerns. However, security analysts have warned that DeepSeek may represent a more significant threat due to its Chinese ownership. One of the analysts said, "Users should recognize that any information shared with the platform could fall under government access as per China's cybersecurity regulations, which require companies to grant authorities access to data upon request. Can DeepSeek indeed pose a security threat to its users?" As DeepSeek continues to make headlines and waves, another interesting thing happened when a bunch of doctoral students claimed to have cloned DeepSeek R1 for just $30. Let's find out all about the US Tiny Zero AI model. You may have heard about the hardware expert who fit the video game Doom into a pregnancy test. Similarly, an AI enthusiast has discovered how to replicate DeepSeek's intriguing technology for the price of a few dozen eggs. Jai Pan, a doctoral candidate at the University of California, Berkeley, claims that he and his AI research team have duplicated the essential functions of DeepSeek's R10 for just $30. While it's difficult to confirm the purported development expenses of this new AI model, this recent development highlights that the stir in the AI market wasn't merely due to overreactions. Specific AI models intended for personal use requiring minimal computing power have existed for some time, even before DeepSeek. Of course, DeepSeek benefits from a significantly larger dataset, whereas the University of Berkeley researchers concentrated solely on reinforcement learning. Their software doesn't rely on human-generated data, as the AI can only validate its solutions. As a point of warning, you need to exercise caution until independent experts review and validate the results. Don't jump on it and start giving all your details away. However, this claim, particularly its surprisingly low cost, exemplifies the swiftly changing conversation in AI research, moving from a model focused on heavy computational needs supported by large data centers to efficient solutions that challenge the financial frameworks of major entities like Openai. In a post shared on X, Pan mentioned that the researchers trained their model on the countdown game, which involves crafting equations using a set of numbers to achieve a specific target. According to Pan, the small language model starts by producing dummy outputs but gradually learns strategies like revision and searching to solve the team's reinforcement training. He claimed that it simply works, and that is why they're excited about it. The team is drafting a paper, but their model, endearingly named Tiny Zero, can be found on GitHub. We aim for this project to help unveil the emerging RL scaling research and to make it more accessible, Pan stated. While R10 is a compact language model with 3 billion parameters, in contrast to its larger counterpart R1's 671 billion, the team's achievement could signal significant developments for open-source developers pursuing simplified strategies in AI innovation. The introduction of DeepSeek's R1 model has intensified scrutiny on ambitious artificial general intelligence projects led by major companies such as Meta, Google, Openai, and Microsoft, causing stocks related to American AI to experience a significant decline in value. DeepSeek asserts that its technology can achieve what those corporate endeavors have spent billions of dollars attempting, but at a fraction of the expense. This has raised many inquiries from investors, primarily questioning why the 7 wealthiest tech corporations in the world are all pursuing lengthy efforts when a simpler solution might have existed all along. If replicating a model like Tiny Zero can be accomplished in just a few days and for less than $30, What justifies large tech firms' $500 billion investment in AI infrastructure? Share your thoughts in the comments.